everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is your girl Bernice. Today I'm coming to you with some help. Okay, I want to help my upcoming YouTubers, my small YouTubers just like myself, with some YouTube ideas. So if you're running out of ideas, I'm here to help you. So I've got over 50 ideas for you. Yes, I said it, over 50 ideas for you. So if you need ideas to start your channel, it's not too late. 2020, you better go for it, baby girl. You have potentials. You have so much that you can do. You have so much that you can talk about. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna help you with some tips you can bring onto your channel that people are gonna love, that is gonna make you trend. So yeah, let's get into it. I've got them on my phone. I've got them on my phone here, and we're gonna go through it. And yes, I hope it's helpful to you. That's what I'm following, that's what I'm doing, and yeah, my channel is growing. I'm very happy of how it's going, and I want to share some ideas. Why not? I mean, we are here to help each other, we are here to grow together, we are here to achieve something. Okay, so what I'm bringing to you might be helpful. It has worked for me, it might work for you as well, and I'm sure it will work for you because people love to see stuff like this. Okay, so yes, if you haven't yet subscribe, like, comment, and share. If today is your first time, please join the family. Okay, you're gonna have fun, a lot of fun happening here. So without wasting much time, today my lashes are from Vero Beauty on Instagram, and this how it came in. It came in this packaging, beautiful. And the one I've got on is Pamela. Okay, so Vero Beauty, I'm gonna link it down below here. She's also on YouTube. She's called she goes by the name Queen Renee. She's so interesting, check her out. Please go and support your girl. We are here to grow together, we are here to help each other, and we are one family, the YouTube family. Okay, so yes, she just joined. Let's show some love to her. Queen Renee, I'm sure she'll return your love if you show her some love. Yes, it's now, look how beautiful. It's not heavy on the eye at all. It's gorgeous and it's light. You don't feel like you've got lashes on, which is the key. So let's get into the video. Okay, let's get into the video. That's what we're here for. Okay, so let's get into the list. It's a freaking long list. Okay, this is the list. It's really long. It's long. But yo, without wasting much time, so your first video that you want to make, of course, if you're starting your channel from the scratch and you want to start with a video, the ideal video that you need to do is what your channel is going to be about. Introducing yourself. Okay, introducing yourself is the key. Okay, then afterwards you can do a Q&A, get to know me, or you can do, when your channel has grown a little bit more, you can do that Q&A, so that people that have subscribed to you, they'll get to know you a little bit more. Yes, so we've got two already. You're introducing your channel, what's gonna be about, so your niche. Yes, and also the second one could be your Q&A, get to know me. And the next one will be, so either your friend or your partner chooses your outfit. That is another video that you can do. Next video could be your hair tutorial. So whatever hair you've got, I've got natural hair, so sometimes I do some hair tutorials, or I'm gonna bring some hair tutorials, makeup tutorials. So if you're good at makeup, or if in whatever you do, okay, whatever works for you, people want to see how you do it. So yeah, bring it to people. Music video reaction, so reacting to your favorite music video. Of course, be careful with the copyrights. Okay, so make sure that if you're choosing a video, you know that that video will not bring your channel down, but indeed help you. Maybe you cannot monetize that video to get paid for it, but at least it will bring you views and subscribers, which is the key that you're looking for. And a prank video, do a prank video. Prank video works, especially if you have a nice couple, if you have a friend that is close to you, they can help you out, and do some pranks. Okay, it works, it's fun, people enjoy it. So you can prank your friends, your family, your mom, your dad, anyone, baby boy, baby girl. Okay, anyone, your boyfriend, anyone, prank them. Okay. And yeah, a mukbang is, I personally haven't tried mukbang, but probably in the future I will. but they work. People love to watch them. I don't know why you like to watch someone who is eating, but they're very popular. It helps people to grow their channel. So yeah, try it as well. It might work for you. And also hair videos. So let's say if you're installing your wig, you can film it, show people how you install it, how you do it, how you curl your hair, how you straighten your hair, washing your hair, anything. Okay, people love to watch it. The next one will be makeup reviews. So let's say you've bought a product and you want to share your opinion about that product. Share it. Okay, people want to know. Personally, before I buy any times, I go on YouTube, I check if people have already purchased it, what they think about it, their point of view, and if it worked for them. Okay, that's what I do instead of going on Google or looking at the reviews. I feel like the reviews, anyone can write it. Okay, so they can get their stuff to write it, but someone else's opinion matters, and always hear it in your ears. Hear it in your ears. Okay, it's good. Okay, so makeup review, my updated makeup routine. So your makeup routine, so if you have learned something within that short time, you can talk about how your makeup has improved or what you're doing now that is working for you. Okay, people love to know as well, and try it. Your brother or your partner does your makeup, that also works. It's fun, people love to watch it. Quarantine favorite movies. So since we're in quarantine, since you're at home or weekends, your favorite movies that you like to watch, you can share them. If you have a list, bring the whole list, share with people, let them check it out. So things like what to do when you're bored. So if you have something that you do, especially when you're bored, someone wants to try it sometimes, you don't know, when they're bored as well. So share with them things that you can do when you're bored. That will work. And also you can try trying TikTok for the first time. So I'm not a pro, so you can try and do some TikToks. TikTok is very popular now, so try some TikTok videos and film it. You can do what is on my phone video. People do it. Looks like people love it, they enjoy watching it. Try it too. What's on my phone? What I used to film my YouTube video, people would like to know, and maybe try it as well, especially for upcoming YouTubers. How you edit your Instagram pictures, if they're nice. Probably, I'm sure there are people that would like to know, and then also use the same app. Workout routine. So if you're working out and you're not going to the gym since we are at home, your workout routine, someone might want to try it, or just someone wants to see you doing it, or try it as well. You never know. So yeah, share your workout routine. You can film it. Trying out everything in my closet is another one you can do. Very popular. People love to see what is in your closet. I don't know for what reason, but yo, try that as well. It's very good. It's very popular. You can film YouTube support videos for small YouTubers, so we all help ourselves. So those are some other videos ideas. Or how to get more subscribers on YouTube in a day, 2 days, a week. Those videos, whatever that has worked for you could work for someone else, so share as well. Recording your house, so showing how your house look like, or updated room tour or closet tour. Okay. Netflix movie suggestions, you can film. If you're someone that loves movies, you can film that. And the next one also, if you are someone who is into books, you can share your latest books that you've read and recommend it to people. Okay. How to distress yourself. So if you are someone that goes through stress a lot and also know how to distress yourself, you can share with people how you go through it and how you do it. How to deal with anxiety and things like that, you can share. Okay, if you have knowledge about it. Show your makeup collection video. If you are into makeup, you can show your collection. People might love to see it, and it's quite popular. Your brother and sister tag, boyfriend tag, siblings tag, those work. Okay, those are beautiful. People love to watch it. And also you might want to maybe film what is it like to be doing your type of work that you're doing. So let's say if I work at the airport, I'm gonna be like what it is like to work at the airport, and I'm gonna talk about it and probably take the camera with me and film something. Who knows, if you can. Unboxing video, something that you bought and you want to share, your first impression, those work. First time buying from a website, you can record it, and when it comes you can put it together, how long it took and all that. Share with your friends, you know, your YouTube family. And a day in your life, that is very popular as well. A day in your life, people might want to know what you do during the day. Self-care day, so a day, maybe Saturdays, you dedicate it for yourself. You do your facial, you do your skin, your nails, your feet, anything, okay? You pamper yourself video, so you can film it and share. More vlogs, so if you're going to the mall and for shopping, you can film it. People will love to see it, and it's popular and people like to see it. And again, school vlog videos, okay? So if you go to school though, if you go to university, high school, college, anything, so film it, show people what you do and how is it like to be in that stage of education. So the next thing you can also film is public interviews. They are very popular. So if you go to college, you can maybe one day on your break interview people, their point of view about something, a topic that maybe you're interested in. People love to answer, and people, yeah, might want to be on your channel, you never know. So you can also do a video about how to make your YouTube videos, how to make your a video for Instagram and all that. Some people don't know. I had to look on YouTube to figure out how to do it. So, and I watched someone else do it, and that's how I got the knowledge of how to do it and do it properly. So yeah, you might want to try and film a video about it if you're good. How you edit your YouTube videos is also very important and very popular. People want to know, and maybe that, you know, that little that you do that is working for you, someone else that doesn't have plenty of time to stay on editing would love to know and also try it as well. So sometimes people have a lot of problems. So if you're someone who is a problem solver, is that how you say it? Problem solver. So if you're someone who is a problem solver, you can also film how you deal with problems, okay? How to go about when you're in a specific problem, or whenever you meet a problem, what are the solutions that you take, what are the measures that you take to fix it, okay? So monkey up videos, personally I haven't tried it, but I might try it in the future, who knows. Hair routine, as I mentioned. So if you have a curly hair, film how you turn it into straight, or if you have a straight hair, film how you're turning it into curly or deep curls or big curls, you know. People love to see it. What is in my bag videos, what is in my purse, people love it. People are nosy, people want to know, people want to see, okay, what you've got in your bag. So yeah, why not? And it's fun as well. Share. Get ready with me videos. They are very popular, they are very good, they do well on YouTube, so try one as well. A quarantine day in my life, so what you do while you're at home. So quarantine videos, tips on videos as well, works. A nail salon vlog or hair salon vlog. So you're going to do your hair, take your camera with you, vlog it, okay? Show people where you go, how you do it, and yeah, the results. People love to see it. A traveling vlog. So if you love traveling, this is the last one. If you love traveling, yeah, do it, okay? Film whatever you're doing, wherever you're going. People want to know. Why not share? So these are all the tips I've got for you. I think it's 50 and over, so I'm sure you'll find yourself something that you can start your channel with, and something you can also bring into your channel and yeah, grow your channel. If today is your first time, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share with your friends and family. Whoever wants to start a channel, they're ready to go. They've got 50 and over ideas, okay? So you can't go wrong. You baby girl, darling, my dear, a lot you can do, okay? This is just a few. There is so much out there that you can bring. There is maybe something within you that people will love to know, and people will love to see it and try it as well, okay? We all have specific things that nobody has, okay? We all have something that nobody has. Nobody's the same as someone. So someone might look at you and say, oh wow, I love that girl's personality. I think I need to gain more confidence in myself, and that is already something, okay? So out here, be yourself and be the best of you, okay? Be the best version of you. Don't try to be like anyone else, because baby, you're special in your own way. You're beautiful, you're knowledgeable, you are awesome, okay? God created you in his own image. Therefore, there is nothing to fear about. Nobody's like you, and nobody can be like you, and you can be like nobody else. So be the best version of yourself, and this is what I'm gonna leave you with. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye. Shh. Oh God, it's not easy, you know. Prank video works. Stop. They work. Prank video works. They are. Frank, Sean, shut up. Like, seriously, don't piss me off.